Hey everyone, so in today's video I wanted to share with you a very easy way for you to delete multiple project variables at once. Now you won't be able to delete built-in variables. They're just there, and the only way that you can really get rid of them is if you create a new project. And you won't really, in Storyline 360, you won't be able to get rid of some of the built-in variables, like all of these menu and slide number ones, but you would maybe be able to get rid of extra result slide variables. So one cool thing that exists now in Storyline 360 is the ability to select multiple variables and delete them at once. So what I like to do is switch the view, click use count, and I like to view the zero use counts. So what I would do is I would select the first variable, and if I wanted to get rid of, say, all of the extra zero use variables, the ones that aren't being used but may have come over from other projects, is I would hold down the shift key and then select the last variable. And then we have all of our variables selected, and we can just click the delete selected variables button. Now this is something that I believe is only available in Storyline 360, but it saves a ton of time if you have large projects that have many variables like this project here. So that's my quick tip for today.